Hello, amazing traders, and welcome back once again. My name is Forex, and I quickly want to do continuous market recap of what is happening in good analysis. And we can easily see that this is good. This is daily time frame. If you watch my previous video on Monday, we predict that market is going to buy throughout this week, and that is exactly what market is doing right now. And market is already at Fibonacci key level of 0.05, which is our golden key ratio. And golden key ratio simply means that market is about to react as soon as possible. But there's something amazing I want to show us here. Right now, market is already at 0.05 key levels. And if our chart patterns play out, because the reason I said if is this, market is you can never figure out completely what market is doing. Market is the Lord of all. But we can predict, we can assess what market is doing based on past experience. And through the power of price action, psychological level, candlestick, we can easily predict what market is doing per time. So right now, this key levels this golden ratio is exactly what we have been waiting for. This key level is what matters. This key level now. We are expecting market to react and respond to this key level. And if market react to this key level and there is a reversal candlestick here, then I'm going to short this good, because what happened here was that we predict that market is we actually buy a market about, and right now market is at 0.05 key level, but which is 50% of Fibonacci key level in daily time frame. So I'll be expecting market to react to this key level I'm expecting market to do something like, now since market has already reached here, then I'm expecting market to do something like this. Now let's say this is our head and this is our next shoulder. So I'm expecting market to react to this key level before it actually pop back to our 100% retracement of Fibonacci. But let's quickly go back to 4-hour time frame to go and see what market actually did. And these are 4-hour time frames. So if you haven't watched my previous video, quickly pause this video once you watch it finish. Go back to my previous video and watch it and see how I was able to plot the key levels, how I was able to predict what market will do because of past experience and what market has been able to do. And that's exactly what happened right now. And you can see this is my previous take profit that I'm expecting market to see. Right now, if you are able to enter this market when I run the analysis, it means that by now you are already 490 pips in profit. And that is something amazing. Just one entry, 490 pips without no stress, nothing. 490 pips. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to this channel. Share with friends and family, on your notification, and drop a comment below. So we can easily see that is exactly what market is doing. So at this key level, if market react at this key level, which is 0.61, it's in between 0.05 and 0.618, and there is massive reversal pattern, it means that market will fulfill the promise of head and shoulder chart patterns, which is purely reversal pattern. If you don't know about head and shoulder chart patterns, one of these days I will show you how it moves. But right now, this is exactly what you're expecting. So we are anticipating. So if you are in buy market, if you are already longing, if you are already among the buyers, please be watchful right now. You know, gold is an extremely volatile market, but if you know how to play your game, you can make a lot of money. So right now, I'll be expecting market to do something reaction to this key level. Now that we are now in Fibonacci golden key level, so I'm expecting market because market will consolidate, it will react. But once market breaks something around this 0.05 and retrace back, then our first profit will be here, then our second profit will be here, then and so on and so forth. Because your entry is important, your exit is also important. You must learn how to enter market at the right time, and also learn how to exit market at the right time. because if you know how to enter market at the right time, your stop loss will not be hit. You'll be saved. When you know how to exit market at the right time, also, it simply means that your profit will not be taken away from you. And that is exactly what is happening right now. So if you are already in profit, I'm expecting you to enter break even right now. And that is the power of price action trader. No indicators, nothing, just experienced, psychological level, and know how to read chart, how to read price action, how to read market. If you don't know how to read any chart before, watch some of my videos and you understand the concept. Very soon I'm planning to do series of trainings of how to draw your Fibonacci, how to draw key levels, how price action works, what moves the market, pips, and a lot of series I will run. But right now, let's just stay with this. And you can see that market is moving as anticipated. To those who follow this chart right now, they're already in 400 pips plus in profit. Congratulations to you guys, and I celebrate you. So please, if you have not liked this channel, like it, subscribe, drop your comment below, and go and open your chart to study what market is doing. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. But I'm guessing something that if market do not respect this key level, gold is volatile market. Market can decide not to respect this key zone, come to this key level, which is 2,716 ounce. But whatever will happen, I will keep seeing, at least between now, today is Thursday, between now and tomorrow morning, market, we know what market is doing. And most of the time, market usually buy on Friday. So we'll be checking market reactions and see what market is doing. If you have any questions you want to ask, please drop it below, and any suggestion, drop it. So, and that is what I have for you guys this morning. So till I come your way again next time, be safe.